Well, great. Good morning, guys. In this video, we are going to see a program which will print the sum of elements of second half of the array and sum of elements of first half of the another array. Okay, it means that here we have an array called A and it has elements 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, 3. Okay, so the first half of this array is 4, 5, 6 and second half of this array is 9, 6, 3. Okay, same like here only we have array B and the first half of the array is 7, 4, 1 and second half of the array is 8, 5, 2. Okay, so we are going to write a program which will print the sum of second half of the first array and sum of elements of first half the second array. Okay, that is 9, 6, 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1, that is 30. Okay, so let us see the program practically. Okay, so here I have taken two arrays. Okay, I'm going to print the sum of second half of the sum of elements of second half of the array. Okay, sorry, second half of the array. Okay, 8 plus 5 plus 2 and 6 plus 8 plus 2. Okay, for that I'm going to take three variables. Int sum is equal to 0. Okay, I can take one variable, but I want to make you to understand clearly. Okay, int sum1 is equal to 0 and int sum2 is equal to 0. Okay, yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, so we have taken three variables. Okay, so we have to take for loop. Int I is equal to 0 and I less than a dot length. I think you know this logic. Okay, so I plus plus. Okay, so we are in this in this for loop we are going to we are going to have a statement sum is equal to sum plus I dot a of a dot length minus 1 minus I. Okay, so this is the condition. So if I try to print this sum, okay, so if I try to print sum, I should get the answer as, see, so the sum of second half of the array 8 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to what? 15. I should get answer as 15. Okay, so if I run the program, I'm going to get answer as 15. Okay, I think some error, yeah, so I need to add by 2 here. Okay, so if I run the program, I'm going to get answer as 15. Okay, so I got the answer 15. Same logic only. Okay, I'm going to write another for loop. Okay, int j is equal to 0 and j less than b dot length. Okay, so and j plus plus. Okay, so but here I have to take by 2 here because I'm going to take only half of the loop, right? Half of the elements of an array, right? So here I'm going to make use of sum1 is equal to sum1 plus, okay, b of I. Okay, so if I write like this, if I try to print the value here sum1, if I try to print the value of sum1, okay, so I'm going to get answer as, because wait a minute, sorry, j. Okay, so see, look here, so 6 plus 8 plus 2, that is 16. Okay, for some I should get answer as 15. Okay, so for sum 1 I should get answer as 16. Okay, if I run the program, I'm going to get answer as 15 and 16. Okay, what is my program? I want to add the second half of the first array and first half of the second array. It means that, okay, so it means that sum2 is equal to sum plus sum1. Okay, so if I try to print sum2, okay, I'm going to get answer as 31. Okay, I'm going to get answer as 31. Yes, right? Okay, for example, so let us take here 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus, okay, we have taken second half of the first array, and 6 plus 8 plus 2. Okay, so let us add 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 21 plus 8, 29. 29 plus 2, 31. We got the output, right? So I mean, I can make only one variable. Let us trace this. Okay, so I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length by 2. Okay, I plus plus. Okay, I think you know this condition. Okay, so I value is 0, a dot length is what? 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Okay, 6 by 2 is 3. Okay, here I less than 3. Okay, so the for loop will iterate only for 3 times. Okay, so in this condition sum is 0, sum is 0 plus I of a dot length minus 1 minus I value is 0. Okay, I value is 0, a dot length minus 1 is, okay, that is 5. Okay, 6 elements are there. Okay, a dot length is 6, 6 minus 1, 5, a of 5 is 2. Okay, a of length minus 1 is 2, a of 2. Okay, what is a of, yeah, a of 2 will be printed here. A of a dot length is a dot length is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, so a of 5 is 2. 2 will be printed, 2 will be stored in sum. Okay, just again I becomes 1, a dot length minus 1 is 5, 5 minus 1, what is 4, a of 4 is what? 5, 5 will be added here. Okay, a dot length minus 1 minus I. Okay, so when I becomes 3, sorry, when I becomes 2, okay, it will, the minus value becomes 3. Okay, so a dot length minus 3, a dot length is 6, 6 minus 3, 3, a of 3 is what? 8. Okay, 8 will be added. When I becomes 3, 3 greater than 3, 3 less than 3, which is false, so for loop stops there. Okay, for loop stops there. Same with the case of this loop also. Okay, so trace it, you can understand it very clearly. Okay, so we will meet in the next video.